Hello everyone, this is my first video on cue card. So let's start with my first cue card. Describe a person you follow on social media. Although it has become very normal to follow people on social media, but here I'm going to talk about a man whom I follow on social media. The name of that person is Sonu Sood. He has not only achieved popularity from his modeling, acting, and as a film producer career, but he has also got a place in the hearts of people due to his humanitarian works during the COVID 19. I have come to know about this great personality since then. Along with this, he posts a lot of photos with his fans, and even in COVID 19, he shared many posts asking people for help. I follow Sood and check his every post because his posts provide something new every day. In addition to this, Sood has founded the Sood Charity Foundation to help people of all stature. Sood helped thousands of stranded Indian migrant workers to reach their homes by arranging buses, special trains, chartered flights for them. Despite of this, an initiative has been taken by Sood for providing free coaching to UPSC exam candidates from underprivileged financial backgrounds. Furthermore, Sonu Sood was announced as the Delhi government's brand ambassador of its country mentor program by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. All in all, his charity during the pandemic was lauded and he was hailed as a real life hero in India. So, this is all about the cue card. Thanks for watching KaurIELTS and keep subscribe my channel for upcoming videos on upcoming cue cards, writing questions and reading as well. Thank you.